Chapter 7 More on Scratch. Adding a new sprite. The default sprite of Scratch project is the cat. Scratch allows the users to add new sprites to a project. Let us now learn how to add new sprite on the stage. To do so, follow the steps given here. Go to the Sprites pane and place the pointer on the Choose a Sprite button. Notice a pop-up appears displaying 4 different options as shown here. To see the names of options, place the pointer on them. Click on the desired option. Here, we will discuss Choose a Sprite and Paint methods. Choose a Sprite option. Click on Choose a Sprite option. The Choose a Sprite library opens, which contains various types of inbuilt sprites. On the top of the library, you can select a category of sprites to browse available sprites in each category. Here we have selected All option. To insert a sprite, click on it. The new sprite is added on the stage as well as in the Sprite List section. You can move the added sprite to a new location on the stage simply by using drag and drop method. Paint option. Clicking the Paint button opens the Paint Editor window. In this window, you can draw a new sprite using the various available tools. To see the name of a tool, hover the pointer over it. The sprite drawn in the Paint Editor automatically gets added in the sprite list and is also displayed on the stage. Quick tips. To delete a sprite from the stage, right-click on it and select the Delete option in the shortcut menu. Changing the appearance of a sprite. You can change the look of a sprite. In Scratch, different looks of a sprite are known as its costume. Changing the look of a sprite means changing its costume. The Looks block menu contains the blocks using which you can change the look of a sprite. And the Costumes tab has the different costumes of a sprite. The Costumes tab is located between the Code and Sounds tab. Let us now learn how to change the look of a sprite using the Looks block menu. To do so, delete the cat sprite from the stage. Add the lion sprite from the Animals category. Click on the Costumes tab. The list of lion sprites costumes appears on the left side, displaying the 3 costumes. Now, switch to the Code tab to create the script for the sprite. Create the script as shown here. Change the values in the fields accordingly. Motion block. Move steps and if on edge, bounce. Looks block. Next costume and change size by. To run the script, click on any of the blocks. Notice that each time you click the script, the sprite changes its costume. And the size of the sprite also changes as per the specified value in the Change Size by. Quick tips. To delete any costume, you can click on the cross icon on the sprite. Changing the backdrop. The background of the stage is known as backdrop. You can change the backdrop of the stage to create different scenes as per the requirement. To change the background of the stage, do as follows. Go to the Sprites info pane. Click on the Choose a Backdrop button. The Choose a Backdrop gallery appears, displaying various thumbnails of available backdrops. Note, scroll down to explore more. You can also click on the tabs to see their relevant backdrops. Select the required backdrop. Here, we have selected the Patterns Backdrop tab. The new backdrop is added on the stage. Repeating actions using repeat and forever blocks. In Scratch, while creating a project, there are times when we need to repeat an action multiple times. To create such projects, we must use repeat and forever blocks in place of adding the same blocks over and over again. These blocks are available in the control block category. Let us learn how to use these blocks to create an interactive project in Scratch 3.0. Repeat control block. The repeat control block is available in the control block category. This block repeats the actions of the sprite as per the value defined in the repeat block. The blocks which are placed within the repeat block are executed for the defined number of times. With the use of repeat block, there is no need to click the script multiple times. To use the repeat block, follow the steps given here. Open a new project by clicking File, New. Create the script and define the values as shown here. Control block, repeat. Motion block, move steps and turn degrees. Pen block, stamp block. Looks block, change color effect by block. Click anywhere on the block stack. Notice a pattern is created on the stage as the script executes for 15 times without any break. Forever control block. The control block is a step ahead repeat block. This block runs a script without any stopping. It keeps the script running continuously until the stop button is pressed. That is why this block is named as Forever block. Let us create a project to understand the function of the Forever block. Open a new project by clicking File, New. Create the script and define the values as shown here. Control block, Forever. Motion block, move steps and turn degrees. Pen block, pen down and change pen size by. Looks block, next costume. Click anywhere on the block stack. Notice a pattern is created on the stage as the script runs continuously. To stop the execution of script, click on the stop button. Sound block. Every project, be it an interactive story or even a program, seems incomplete without the sound effects. In Scratch 3.0, there is a separate block category dedicated to inserting sound effects in a project and making it more exciting and interesting. This block category is known as Sound block, which has the following codes options. The Sound block menu has blocks that are used to add sound or music in a Scratch project. One can also choose among the different instruments or even add the sound of more than one instrument to a project. You can also adjust the volume of the sound. Let us learn how to use these blocks in a project. Open a new project in Scratch. Delete the cat sprite from the stage and add the parrot sprite on the stage. Click on the stage icon and add the blue sky background from the library. Create the script for the sprite similar to as shown in the figure. Click on the flag button to run the script. Observe, the sprite changes its position randomly and makes sound. You can later stop the script by clicking on the red button above the stage.
Quick recall. The default sprite of Scratch project is the cat. The Looks block menu contains the blocks using which you can change the look of a sprite. The Costumes tab contains the different costumes of a sprite. The background of the stage is known as backdrop. The Repeat control block is used to run a script for the defined number of times without any break. The Forever control block runs a script continuously until the stop button is pressed. The Sound block category is used to add sound in a Scratch project.